So with the squash, just roast it, shut the lid on the barbecue. You want skin side down and just leave it in there. Don't worry about the skin getting too black because you're just going to scrape out the middle bit. So leave it to roast nice and slow. It takes about half an hour to 40 minutes. So there we have it. That's the roast squash, which is done with garlic, thyme and lemon, and it's just topped with a lovely pomegranate and feta salad. And that goes really well with this GB wine, Gonzalez Byass, fantastic Albarino Lusco. It's a really dry citrusy wine that cuts through the richness of that dish perfectly. Salut, we'll see you on the other side.